Exploring the amazing Amazon River. The Amazon River is the biggest river in the whole world. Here are some cool facts about it. The Amazon River flows through South America. It starts in the Andes Mountains in Peru and flows all the way to the Atlantic Ocean in Brazil. The Amazon River is home to lots of different animals like pink dolphins, piranhas, and even giant anacondas. It's also surrounded by a big, lush rainforest called the Amazon rainforest. This rainforest is full of trees, plants, and animals. The Amazon River is super wide and deep. Some parts of it can be as wide as 11 kilometers. The Amazon River is a super special place full of adventure and surprises. It's like a big playground for nature to show off its amazing wonders.